How to apply for a Chase Freedom credit card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you on applying for a Chase Freedom credit card online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to chase.com using any web browser and then click on the sign in option and enter your username and the password in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password. And if you like this Google Chrome web browser or this system to remember your credentials, you can simply check this option of Remember Me. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can go to this link of Forgot Username and the Password to retry or reset your password. After entering the correct form of your credentials, you can simply click on this sign in option that is highlighted in blue color in order to successfully sign into your Chase account. Next, you have to click on the credit card option, and as soon as you do that, you will land into this kind of interface over here. From this, locate the Chase Freedom card option and you can search for it or browse through the options over here. Once found, click on the Apply Now option and fill out the form with the personal details like name, date of birth, contact information, and more. Also provide your address, email, phone number, and authorize any necessary disclosures. Select your residence and employment status as well and enter your annual income and review the terms and the conditions and submit the application by clicking on Submit button that is highlighted in blue color. Chase will assess your eligibility, which may take a few days. They will inform you about their decision by the mail or the email. Upon approval, you will receive your credit card in 7 to 10 business days. So this was all about it. For any queries or clarifications, leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.